All right, y'all, I just thought I would show y'all kind of a size comparison on just how tiny little Mr. Pip is. He's a little bit nervous, as you can understand. This is Friendly. He's a buff rooster. And this is little Mr. Pip. He's a bantam. Look at the just crazy size difference. Luckily, Friendly's pretty cool, so he's not trying to get Mr. Pip, but Mr. Pip is still quite nervous.
Oh yeah, he is. He's leaning away.
Friendly, what do you think of this little guy? He's like, what little guy? I can't even see him. He's so tiny. All right, that's it.